What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I am doing a closure that looks like a frontal quick weave. Off camera, I went ahead and braided her hair to the back, and then I applied the stocking cap. On top of the stocking cap, I applied the protective shield, set her under the dryer until it was dry, cut the remainder of the stocking cap off, and now I'm placing the tracks. So I'm taking the tracks, placing them on her head to measure exactly where I'm going to cut. Then I cut it, put the glue on the weft, and then place it on her head. And I repeat this until I get to the top of her head. And isn't this color beautiful? I did do this color. These bundles and the closure is from Beauty Forever. She got 3 bundles of 26 with I believe a 22-inch closure. And again, this is from Beauty Forever. Girl, this color is popping. So for the closure, I'm going to use the Fit Me foundation. I'm gonna mix these 2 shades together, and I'm going to apply that to the lace to tint it to her shade. By the way, I am using a dark brown stocking cap on her. It looks like black because of that protective shield, but no, it's actually dark brown. So now I'm going to cut off the front of the lace. You could do this before or after you glue it on. I prefer to do it before. And I'm also cutting off those side pieces so that it lays flat on her head when I glue it down. Glue, I'm using my favorite Bold Hold. This is the original formula. And I'm going to be applying it to the cap just like this. And then after I have it on the cap, I'm going to drag it down with my comb and smooth it out. So I wait for the glue to dry, and then I apply a second layer. Now Now I'm going to put the lace exactly where the glue starts, and I'm going to lightly press the lace into the glue. Now I'm going to go in and put some glue on those pieces of the lace that are not attached down, and I'm just going to use the end of my comb to do so. And then I'm going to lightly push the lace into the glue. Now I'm going to sew the back of the closure down. Now I'm going to get all the hair from the closure out of the way and glue the remainder of the tracks in. Okay, now we got all the tracks glued in. I'm now going to take my hot comb and begin pressing out this closure to get it flat. Now it's time to do these baby hairs. For baby hairs, I'm going to be using Gorilla Snot Gel. And I'm putting foam wrap on top to soften them up. I'm going to wrap her edges up, and I'm going to leave them wrapped up until I finish flat ironing her hair. And this is the finished look. It looks gorgeous. This color looks amazing. By the way, this color is from Adore. I mixed a few of the reds. And yeah, again, this hair is from Beauty Forever. We have 3 bundles of 26 inch with a 22 inch closure. And yes, this is so fire. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below so I know what you think about this look. And until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching.